Let's press power. Flashing power button. Fans start up. There is light. You can't see it. I was hoping it would project on the door, but you can't see it. Oh, just caps on. It's not projecting as far as the door. Okay, then the light turns off. Fans are still running, but there's no light anymore coming from the lamp. Lamp is solid red, and then it switches off. Let's unplug it, and let's start taking things apart. This light's still on. Here we have some extra screws because I have actually already tried this before. I took it apart, I looked at the fan, and I put it all back together, and I found some extra screws at the end. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. There's one in particular, and there's a billion comments saying, oh my god, this repaired my projector. Everyone has the exact same symptoms. This happened when I replaced the globe. What happened was the globe exploded, the original globe exploded. I got a new globe. When I put the new globe in, this is the behavior that happened. And everybody said there's glass stuck in the fan from when it exploded. When I had a look the first time, I didn't see any damn glass. But maybe I was not thorough enough. We're going to try again. Oh, god damn it. Okay, so I just broke this. Great. Alright, so this thing is now completely useless. We're up to stage one, step one, and I have already broken something. What? Where did that come from? No, I just got a new... Where did that come from? There it is. This apparently is a ballast, whatever the hell that is. How do I always lose everything? Yeah. Okay, and we've also got to take off this back panel. This one and these four. Alright, so now this should pull off. Okay, this pulls off. Okay, and the next step is to unplug everything. Unplugged. Unplugged. There's a fan here. That moves fine. All the fans are fine. Oh, there's a fourth one in there. That's the one we got to get to. Okay, fan unplugged. God damn it, I keep stabbing. Alright. The ballast is unplugged. Yikes. God damn it. Jesus Christ. It should just pull out. Yeah, okay. Getting closer to the fan. I'll just do this. Right. Ah, got it. Alright, so this is the fan. Now it's got no problems here. No problems turning. Absolutely nothing. No problems. Nothing even to clean. There's no glass stuck in here. So I suppose it's possible that when the projector exploded, the bulb, that glass damaged some other component. Ah, that's how you do it. Do it on that end, not the other end. How do I have two leftover screws? Alright, let's press the power button. There's no light. Oh, there you go. Yeah, the light came off. Yep. Solid red lamp. Pretty frustrating when you get a YouTube video that states the exact problem you're having and how to solve it, and a billion comments saying, "Thank you, you solved my problem. What would I have done without this video?" But it doesn't work for you. Pretty frustrating.